touch these wheels. So welcome to part 2 of the Long Beach Chronicles. Instead of making one big video combined with the other video, I decided to make this its own video with kind of its own little topic. So while there, obviously I'm not there anymore, but I decided to let Christian and Ish drive the S52 car, and I figured Ish comes from a 540 background, Christian comes from a M5 background, and they've both driven and owned many other ones as well, but particularly those two. So I kind of wanted to hear from them what they think about my S52 car, whether or not it feels, you know, powerful, worthwhile, and basically just kind of hear their opinions, because I wanted to hear them for myself, and I think it'd be interesting for you guys. You think that's stiff?
A little bit.
Dude, compared to the turbo car, it's nothing. Oh, yeah, you drove the turbo car, yeah. I'm gonna let Ish drive the S52 car. I told him, like, you know, it's nothing crazy, but I'll let him do it anyway.
Yeah, I forget about this, because that's
yeah, dude's an E92 guy now. He still has an E34, we're just messing with him, but we'll see what his reaction is. Maybe I'll just keep the camera low-key and won't talk. Yeah, I'll do that.
Yeah, I forgot all about the steering wheel, man. The stock steering wheel on E34.
It's horrible. It's like a boat. Yeah, it literally sucks.
Damn. So where's the power band on this thing?
All the way up. You gotta go all the way.
All the way up?
Yeah, just send it. The shift knob's a little messed up. It might fly off, so. But it picks up though.
Let me get a good runway. How you like the BCs?
They're nice. They're soft, but they're comfortable.
That's a fun car, isn't it?
Think so?
Yeah, they feel pretty good.
So like how, like, cause I had a B40 car, and you have a B40 car, but like how would you compare them? Like this is.
Hold on, let me see.
You drive it more. Drive it more.
B40 obviously has way more torque.
Yeah,
and
right off the bat.
Instantly.
Yeah.
This. It kind of feels like the S38.
Yeah, I mean that makes sense.
Like a littler version.
Yeah, that makes sense. My control arms blew out. You feel that? 55 mile an hour shake.
Yeah, I feel it.
Brand new, bro. They already messed up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I see you post like.
Yeah.
Today.
Yeah. I mean, I drive. Yeah. Well, no, they've been messed up. I'm like, what is this feeling? And then I'm like, everyone's been telling me like, dude, I've been having bad luck with them. Like they probably already failed. And I'm like, oh, makes sense.
Yeah, you got a full tank of gas.
Yeah, I know, I filled it up on the way here. But like, yeah, dude, if you're not doing, you know, if you're not high up on the rev, it's not fun, you know? Like, dude, if you're in third going slow, it's not gonna be that enjoyable. Yeah, see, like, oh, okay, you weren't going. Why'd he tell you to stop?
I don't know.
Compared to a B40, what do you think?
It's a fun car.
But it's
for sure not as fast,
not as fun as a 540, right?
Yeah, to be honest, stock 540.
So I sold the 540 to build this.
Hey, I feel a little disrespected because
I'm gonna let you drive it too.
Yeah, but this dude drove it before me.
But you were on the phone, bro. You were on the phone, bro.
I'm just kidding.
After Ish blows it up.
Alright, let me get one more spin.
I want him to compare it to the 540, and then we'll have Christian compare it to the M5.
Yeah, because the 540 power band is like all the way from the jump, like.
No, it's right away, right? Yeah, this has to be really revved up.
Yeah, really revved up, and still it's kind of not even like. Yeah. But I mean, it has like a little touch to it,
But like if you know, it has a little something. But if you kind of like compare it, like, you know, what's the point of doing this if you could buy a B40 car?
Stock too.
Right? That's what I'm saying. That's why I almost like feel like it wasn't even worth it. Yeah, you go to 7.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So I don't know, bro. I don't know.
Yeah, so
like it's fun, but like, you know, I had the B40. Okay, this is what I'll say. This is what I think. So I think this car is a better option than the 540 if you don't like B40 maintenance. Because I will say those are a pain in the ass.
Really?
Like, I mean, power steering lines, you can't.
Oh yeah, you have to pull the motor, and then after that, solid car.
Yeah, okay, yeah. Me personally, my 540 leaked everything. It had a lot of electrical issues. It wasn't really the car's fault. That was like a previous owner's fault, and it was a swap. It was a 530. So I don't know.
Yeah, you gotta run.
This is like a purist car. It's cool to just say like, oh yeah, I got an M3 engine in here.
Yeah.
Whereas realistically, a 540 is probably a better car. It's probably more fun.
I don't think too many people know about the M60s.
Nah, I think it is kind of a slept-on car.
Like, it's crazy because I never owned a straight 6 BMW. We all know that's what they're known for. All my BMWs are V8. My next BMW will probably be a V8 too, 39 and 5.
Yeah, right? So, I don't know. Like, it's crazy expensive to do, but honestly, being in the passenger seat, I'm enjoying this car more than being in the driver's seat. Yeah, like you're making me feel like, damn, this is a fun ass car.
It is. It's like, you know, I have like a little, like it's, I don't know. The 540 is just rowdy. The M50B40 is super rowdy.
Yeah, the 540 sounds.
But I like rowdy and obnoxious though.
Yeah, no, I do too. I do too, honestly. I only sold that car because I was sick of the maintenance and it wasn't a clean car, whereas this is a very clean car. So it was kind of worth the base.
Yeah, see, even daily, how's the gas on this though?
Well, this is wrong, but yeah, it doesn't work. It's probably like 20 miles per gallon. It's probably like 20.
Okay.
All right, ish stamp of approval or no?
Yeah, hell yeah.
Cool.
I give it 6.5 out of 10.
That's pretty weak. but whatever, I'll accept it.
Performance-wise, aesthetic-wise, 10 out of 10.
Okay, that makes me feel better. But everything else, whatever. That's a genuine rating, so I like that. So this, I'm letting him film, so that's why I had the camera like here so you can get content. I'm not trying to be annoying, but cool. You got 2 people in here now?
You got a blue coin tray?
Yeah, isn't that crazy?
That's at least $100.
Oh, that's exactly what Alan said. Okay, so now we're gonna let Christian drive it. Ish drove it and knocked my damn sunroof cover out.
No way. This is a little backwards, isn't it?
It is backwards.
Yeah, it is. I did notice that, yeah.
And he did say earlier, like what he said? He said, oh, I'm good at what I do.
I swapped the headliner, bro. Chill.
E34 Go, bro. You're getting schooled right now.
I'm not good at all.
So this car has 84,000 miles, right?
Well, now it has 89.
89. He bought an 84, some low number. But long story short, he did a motor swap, and when I put this e-brake down, it just felt very tight. Everything feels tight. Everything just feels good. It feels fresh. Let me see the shifter.
You don't realize it, but like 80,000 mile cars, you can really feel the difference. Like the seats are plusher, like that's all new, obviously. So
yeah, this clutch feels weird though. I don't really like it.
It's a stage one. I'm kind of also like, I like it, but whatever. You're
aftermarket Ukrainian.
Yeah, and I don't have it fast and right, and my shift boot's shrunk, so every time we shift, you're gonna see it's gonna pop up.
That's okay. Other than that, we got another YouTuber outside, but he doesn't upload, so he's probably
what a clown, bro.
Extra swag.
We got 3 people, so now it's gonna. Dude, look, this doesn't. Dude, what the heck?
Oh, bro.
I don't know how to swap a headliner properly, apparently. All right, so I'm gonna let Christian do the heart of this again. I'm gonna have my camera low key, so it's just gonna be like.
First impressions, bro.
First
This car
impressions.
feels like it just came out of the factory. This is crazy.
Even with an engine swap, right?
Yeah, man, this is really good. Okay, no doubt, I'll tell you right now, my cars, I build them for me. I enjoy them. This car, whoever buys this car, this is like...
If I ever sell it.
Yeah, but it's very well sorted is what I'm saying. SRS light is on.
I bought it like that.
Dude,
do you want him to hold that back there? Or do you want me to hold it? Is that going to not be good angle?
That's a good
and audio?
POV, actually.
It's POV?
Yeah.
How you guys doing? No, just kidding.
Hi guys. Okay, that's whatever you want.
Does it have a single mass flywheel?
Yeah,
Okay.
lightweight.
So it's a little...
It revs a little happy. Yeah, it chatters like crazy. The shifter might fly out, so just be careful when you're shifting. I don't want you to...
It probably would. I'm not that aggressive. I don't...
Well...
It's not my car.
Alan was going crazy. Well,
Dude,
Ish beat the hell out of it, so go ahead.
Did I tell you about Alan driving
Bro,
that car?
I've given you so many chances to drive.
I had a little grudge with Alan. This is a side note. Alan's in the back with the camera, right?
Yeah.
But when I had met Alan, we kind of met, and long story short, I went to a meet, no one was there, and Alan was like, hey, you want to drive the M5? And I was like, okay. I let him drive the M5, and my M5 is kind of, it was hot back then too. But long story short, he drove the M5 like he stole it, which is like, okay.
I haven't even gotten to drive it, damn it.
Speed limit, plus.
No, he was like, bah!
Yeah.
And then I tell him, yo, can I drive your car? Alan has a 525 bagged E34.
Yeah.
And then he's like, oh no, I don't let no one drive your car. And I was like, dude, I didn't really want to drive it, but...
I've given you so many chances.
It's the thought that
I kind of
counts.
just held it. Okay, back to this car. I kind of held the grip.
That's funny.
Fat ass
That's
grip.
funny.
Feels good. Brake light is out, but we're not gonna worry about that.
Yeah, the third brake light went out.
Bro, I'm schooling this kid again, bro. He didn't know you can change the third brake light bulb.
But you had to take out the whole assembly.
Yeah, he thought you had to take the whole deck out.
We're in third gear. We're gonna downshift the second real quick.
Yeah, beat on it, man. Like, you're going to 7 too.
I'm gonna bury this bitch. You got a long way to drive home.
Ah, he's gonna blow it up before I can get home.
Oh wow, this thing kind of goes.
Yo, when someone else drives it, this car impresses me. When I drive it, I'm bored.
It feels, well, yeah, because you don't feel the G-force, but it feels really good. Like, you don't feel the G-force when you hold this.
No, I guess, no, it feels way faster when you're driving it.
So, driving this car, it feels like a 525, but faster.
That's what I like it.
This is how it should have been.
That's what exactly. I was trying to talk to Ish. I was like, yo, so like between like M60 and this, like, is it even worth it? And he's like, oh, I don't know. The M60 is just better, more power and stuff. But I'm like, yeah, but this keeps the feeling, and I couldn't think of the words when he was driving. This keeps the feeling of an inline six BMW, which is kind of a special feeling. And the maintenance is easier.
I agree, but like once you own a V8,
yeah, the V8 cars are pretty crazy. So
this car, yeah, it's really good, man, because now you're chilling. You're just like coasting in second gear. You did a really good job, and I'm really jealous of this interior, dude.
Yeah, hell yeah.
This interior is beautiful.
Thank you. Well, I didn't do anything to the interior. I just kept it.
When I had my E30, I did let you like beat on it a little bit, huh?
I never drove it. Oh, I did drive it. Yeah. Dude, I beat the shit out of this car, literally.
Right?
I don't have to drive it up. Oh, that's what he meant. Bro, I've never let the rear end go on this car yet. That's why I'm kind of like ashamed of myself. Like, we should go to that cul-de-sac.
I didn't do that.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
No, do it. The car's built good enough, I think.
Yeah, no, the car is really solid. That's why I did it with confidence. But,
as you should.
Like I drive my cars, and if they don't break, the way I drive my cars hard, and if they don't break, that means they're well built.
Yeah, you got to drive them hard to know they're built.
Yeah.
I also did 5,000 miles across the country, so that kind of also told me that it's all right. But
yeah, this car is solid as.
And I got to do it back, so if Christian breaks it, it's gonna be an issue for me.
Okay, don't break it then.
Break it.
For the content.
For your content, mine. Do whatever you want to do. Just don't crash it, please. Oh, watch these wheels. Oh, so Christian really wanted to beat my car up.
I'm sorry. You said for the content, and this car looked great swinging. Dude, we don't even know
outside view.
I know, if you did though, like Ishmael loved how this car
I'm actually stoked you did that, because that felt cool. And now my tires have less tread for the ride home.
Hey, I'm
not mad in the slightest. I'm really glad you did that. I put in all this Dina for a reason.
Hey, to be honest, that's my revenge for letting this dude drive your car before me.
Hey, I gladly accepted that.
I'm not gonna do it anymore. He's gonna do it.
This dude's like, yeah, you beat on mine a little bit, right? I'm like, yeah, go for it. And then he does that.
I know one thing about Christian is this guy, you can't trust him with your car.
No, you can. I've never this guy crashed like twice.
The only thing I was worried about is my wheels, because obviously
I would have gave you mine.
That would have been worth it. He's got a nice set of wheels you guys haven't seen yet.
Wait, right now, I should have got that on film.
Dude, you should have.
Huh? Did you get that?
Dude, if I did that, I'd probably wreck my car. If I did that, I'd probably wreck it.
Yeah, if you don't it's really like that, don't.
I don't.
I try to get this guy
in a parking lot, yes, but not between two curbs, to be honest.
Shout out to my man Alan getting the angles right here, bro.
Dude, you should have had someone hop out to film that. That would have been sick.
I know.
Well, at least Christian could drive my car like you're supposed to drive a BMW. I can't, but.
Those tires are brand new.
No, they're literally brand new. You didn't wear them in the slightest. We're absolutely fine. So, I don't know what else I need from this video, because this is already like action-packed. If there's anything else, I'll do it, but right now we're probably gonna do more intimate things, like getting tacos on the beach and stuff. So, I'll probably call it here, because you guys hung out with these guys. I think we had a good time.
Yeah,
what else could we really do, you know?
Short little video.
Thank you guys for watching.
Hey, farewell, guys.
Outro, everyone say bye.
Yeah, see ya. Thanks
I love it here, I don't want to leave.
We love Josh. Thanks for filming this time.
Later, guys.
See you guys.